Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check how to see your login activity on Uber account. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Uber is transportation and ride-sharing technology company that allows passengers to book rides and drivers to charge fares and get paid via smartphone app. By hiring independent contractors as driver, we created a new business model that changed the way traditional transportation companies operated. Since its inception, Uber services have contributed to the expansion of the sharing economy, playing a mean of connecting existing resources with buyers without the company having to own any of the physical resources facilitating the services. So, on my previous video, I've shown you how to create Uber account, how to set up your account. But now, what if you want to check your login activity? It's very simple. So first of all, we have to open our Uber app. You can log in into your mobile apps. After that, you can go to settings by tap on the bottom right here. You can choose on manage Uber account. Now you can go to security, choose on security. From here, you can just scroll down and you can see here's your login activity where you log in, or have been logged in on this device within the last 30 days. Multiple logins from the same device may appear in here. So here's my current login. So I have only one device that logged in into my Uber account. It's very simple, right? If you find there is a recognized device that logged in into your account, Uber account, you can just remove that device. It's very simple, right? So that is how to check how to see your login activity on Uber. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.